Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling tools and the replacement handle. Get Phillips, flat, hex keys, pliers, and lubricant ready. Turn off power to any electronic lock, safety first, then remove the strike plate if it blocks access. Once done, photograph the handle and screw layout so reassembly is exact. Make notes about orientation. Now remove the trim screws on the interior handle and gently pull halves apart. You'll expose the spindle and latch mechanism for inspection and the first actionable fixes. With the handle open, inspect the spindle and set screw. Look for stripped splines or loose fasteners. If screws are rounded, extract carefully with pliers or a screw extractor. Replace with correct size. Clean inside with a rag to remove grit, then apply a light lubricant to the latch bolt and moving surfaces to restore motion. If springs or the cam are bent, swap them now. Replacing the spindle or latch assembly is often the fix. Make sure parts align before testing rotation. Reassemble the handle, aligning the spindle and cam. Tighten screws snugly but do not over-tighten, strip risk. Once assembled, cycle the latch 5 to 10 times. Test with key and interior turn to confirm smooth operation. If binding or misalignment appears, loosen screws, realign, and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if the latch works but the handle slips, check strike plate alignment and spindle length, adjust the strike or swap to a correct length spindle. Replacing the entire lock set is last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.